So today we have the Inspire 2. We broke it out and we're filming some awesome drone shots over professional surfer Jacob. The lighting's really good today. If the sun is in the background, we got some nice lighting on Jacob as he's shredding those waves. And then we got a 4K 60 frames per second camera on the Inspire 2 here. Really great shots. You're gonna see them in the edit, but like I mentioned, a day in the life of a professional drone pilot. This is the first project of the day. We're filming in morning. You're gonna see what we have in store for the rest of the day. Let's get it started.